Amcrest is proud to introduce the new 2K Wi-Fi video doorbell that is built with the same high-quality components and amazing image quality that all of our customers have come to love and trust. This Wi-Fi doorbell features magnificent 2K Ultra HD video resolution and boasts a super wide 164-degree viewing angle, as well as up to 16 feet night vision with infrared motion detection, two-way talk communication, and smart human detection motion notifications, all visible directly from your smartphone device using the Amcrest Smart Home app. The Amcrest Video Doorbell is designed to provide added security as well as peace of mind, connecting you with what matters most from anywhere. This video will show you how to install your new video doorbell, including the Chime Kit. Also, please see the app setup video to connect your video doorbell to your mobile device using the Amcrest Smart Home app. Our professional installer will now walk you through the rest of the way with the installation of your Amcrest 2K doorbell.
Hello, and thank you for watching this Amcrest tutorial. Now let's proceed with the installation and setup of your Amcrest 2K doorbell. Unboxing. Everything you need for the installation of your Amcrest 2K doorbell is included in the box: the doorbell, chime kit, installation materials, and a drill bit. The installation materials include wall anchors, wire connectors, a reset pin, mounting screws, mounting brackets, wire extenders, chime kit wire harness, and a masonry drill bit. Please note, a drill may be required if installing a doorbell on concrete, stucco, or brick. Installing the chime kit. The Amcrest chime kit ensures that adequate power is provided to your doorbell and allows the device to sync to your existing chime. It is important that this component is installed correctly to properly set up your doorbell. Turn off the power at the breaker. To get started, first turn off the power at the circuit breaker for your doorbell. Although doorbells generally use low voltage, we will be working with electrical wiring, so be sure to shut off the power to your doorbell at the electrical breakers of your home to ensure no power is flowing through the internal doorbell system. Remove the cover for your existing chime. Carefully remove the cover for your doorbell chime. Locate the screws on the front and trans terminals. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws. Be sure to leave the existing doorbell wires in place. Connect the chime kit. The included wire harness has a green terminal block on one end and spade terminal connectors on the opposite end. Connect the spade terminal ends of the wire harness to the front and trans terminals on the chime. It does not matter to which terminal the wires are connected to, as long as both make good contact with the terminals and the existing wires. Then retighten the screws. Connect the green terminal block connector to the green ports on the bottom side of the chime kit. When finished, flip the chime kit over and use the included adhesive on the reverse side to secure the chime kit to the outside or inside of the doorbell chime. If you have a traditional mechanical chime, ensure any excess wires are clear of the metal chimes inside the device. Once complete, replace the cover on your chime. Doorbell installation. Before we proceed with the physical installation of your doorbell, it is highly recommended to install a MicroSD card and secure it inside the doorbell prior to mounting the doorbell outside. A MicroSD card can be installed later if you don't have one now. Simply return to this point in the installation process and follow the steps. Insert a MicroSD card. The Amcrest 2K doorbell can store events locally on a MicroSD card. The doorbell is compatible with SD cards up to 128 gigabytes. To install a MicroSD card, locate the MicroSD card slot on the back of the device and raise the flap. Insert the MicroSD card with the gold contacts facing up. Press it in until it clicks. Then secure the flap back over the slot. Now let's go outside to install the doorbell. Uninstall your existing doorbell. To get started, unscrew and remove your existing doorbell from the wall, revealing the doorbell wires. Unscrew and disconnect the wires from your existing doorbell, These are the wires we will be using to install your new Amcrest 2K video doorbell. Prep the mounting surface. If you're mounting the doorbell on an edge or corner surface, you'll need your mounting bracket along with your included wedge or corner bracket. Line up the grooves on the wedge or corner bracket with those on the mounting bracket and attach it onto the back of the mounting bracket. Press in to snap both brackets together. Then proceed with the installation. In this video, we are mounting to a flat surface, so only the mounting bracket will be used. Ensure the mounting bracket is in the correct orientation, with the arrow up indicator facing up. The screw holes on the top and bottom of the bracket can be used to mark the locations of the two mounting holes on the mounting surface. Run the existing doorbell wires through the opening on the mounting bracket, and place the mounting bracket flat against the mounting surface. Use a pencil or marker to mark the location of the two mounting holes on the mounting surface using the two screw holes. If you are installing on a hard surface such as concrete, stucco, or brick, use the included masonry drill bit and a power drill to drill holes on the install surface using the markings as a guide. Drill as deep as the length of the wall anchors. Please note, different masonry materials can have different densities and thicknesses. The masonry bit will work for most surfaces, but a heavy-duty bit may be needed for some applications. When finished, hammer in the wall anchors. If you're installing on wood, drywall, or soft surfaces, wall anchors are optional, and the mounting screws are sufficient. Install the mounting bracket. Once your mounting surface is ready, you can install the mounting bracket using the included screws. Ensure the mounting bracket is in the correct orientation with the arrow up indicator facing up. Run the wires through the bracket and line up the screw holes on the bracket with the holes in the wall. Then insert the screws. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to secure the mounting bracket to the mounting surface. Please ensure not to cover up any wires. Connect the wiring. If you are using the wire extenders, you can connect them either to the doorbell or to the existing wires in the wall, depending on your preference. In this video, we are going to demonstrate by connecting the wire extenders to the existing wires in the wall first, and then to the doorbell. First, align the ends of the wire extenders with the existing doorbell wires, and twist them together with the wire nut connector, turning clockwise to tighten. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two terminal screws on the back of the doorbell. Insert the terminal screws into the ring terminal connector on the wire extenders, and attach the screws back onto the terminals on the video doorbell. Tighten the screws to secure the wires to the doorbell. If you don't need the wire extenders because your existing wires are long enough, you could simply attach the existing doorbell wires directly to the terminals and tighten the screws. Mount the doorbell. Please note, as mentioned before, make sure you have your MicroSD card installed before mounting. Once the wires are securely connected, feed the wiring back into the wall and bring the doorbell up to the mounting bracket. Line up the top and bottom grooves of the doorbell with those on the bracket so that it grabs from both ends and sits flush against the wall. Then slide the doorbell downwards onto the bracket, locking it in place. You will hear a click when the doorbell has been secured to the bracket. When finished, check that there are no gaps along the edge of the doorbell. If only the top or bottom groove is attached, push the doorbell back up, realign the top and bottom grooves of the doorbell and bracket, and slide the doorbell down again. Turn the power breaker back on. Give the doorbell up to 3 minutes to fully power up. When the device initially powers up, the light will illuminate with a solid deep blue color. Within 60 seconds, it will turn to a teal color. Then it will start spinning, ready for setup with the mobile app. And that's all there is to it. Congratulations, you have successfully mounted your Amcrest 2K video doorbell. Now it is time to set up the Amcrest Smart Home app. please see the next video to connect your doorbell to your Android or iOS mobile device and access features using the app. We hope this video has helped you mount your Amcrest 2K video doorbell. Thanks for watching.